This is where the journey of the potato begins. Every potato starts fresh in nature. Soon, the potatoes will be harvested for production. Harvesting the potatoes begins with care. Each potato is gathered carefully.
The potatoes are carefully packed for transport. The potatoes are now ready to start their journey to the factory. Sorting ensures only the best potatoes move forward. Pre-treatment prepares the potatoes for production.
The Patao Chips potatoes are carefully loaded for transport to the factory.
Proper handling ensures the potatoes for Patao Chips reach the factory intact.
The journey to the factory begins, moving the potatoes efficiently. The potatoes arrive at the Patao Chips factory, ready for processing.
The potatoes are now safely stored, ready for production.
The potatoes arrive at the factory, ready for processing. Next, the potatoes are meticulously peeled and prepared. Sorting and classification ensure consistent quality. Precise weighing guarantees the correct amount for production. The potatoes are now ready to start the production process.
The potatoes enter the core production process.
The potatoes enter the core production process.
Every slice is cut with precision.
Every slice is cut with precision. Every slice is cut with precision.
Ordnance and Princess. Automation ensures consistent quality throughout the process.
Automation ensures consistent quality throughout the process. Each step is closely monitored for quality assurance.
The potatoes begin to take their final form.
The Patao chips are refined to achieve perfect quality. Each chip is coated and refined with precision.
To extase. Automation ensures perfect refinement for every batch.
Automation ensures perfect refinement for every batch. Every chip is monitored for ideal texture and flavor.
The Patao chips are now ready for packaging. The Patao chips are now ready for packaging. Specific totals is to cause. Each pack is accurately filled and tightly sealed.
Trusted BUs.
It's Clarkston. The Patao chips are efficiently organized for distribution. The Patao chips are now ready for quality inspection. Every pack of Patao chips undergoes strict inspection. Every pack of Patao chips undergoes strict inspection. Automated systems add another layer of precision. The final approved Patao chips are ready for distribution. final Patao chips, crafted with precision and care.
Our team ensures that each Patao Chips pack meets the highest standards.
Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes journeys.